Hey everybody, Chris here. I'm excited to announce a new program. I'm coming on here to announce a new program we're doing in conjunction with California Family Institute titled Resistance School and the Art of Nonviolent Resistance. This is going to be a 10-week journey, non-hierarchical journey, collaborative journey, exploring movements, strategy, and solidarity through study, story, and action. It starts August 3rd, every other Sunday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. in person at California Family Institute, but depending on how many people we get, might even do it at my house. I don't know. It's completely free. What you'll explore, we're going to have 5 sessions. We're going to start with the moral urgency of resistance, and we're going to be studying this book. This is an uprising, how nonviolent revolt is shaping the 21st century. It's the Engler Brothers. It's a great book if you have not read it. We're going to continue strategy as practice in that, and then we're going to do roles and rhythms, and we're going to be doing this book, Social Change Now, a guide for reflection and connection by Deepa Iyer, who was on a podcast of mine. You should listen to it if you have not. And so we're going to look at all the roles. Not everybody can, be facing the tear gas, that kind of thing. So, or, being in protests, but there's lots of different roles and rhythms that you can participate in. And then finally, our last book will be Imperfect Solidarities by Aruna D'Souza, another great book. And we're going to look at imperfect solidarities, among other things. And of course, we might throw in a little bit of the Encyclopedia of Radical Helping. And I just pulled this one because I have it. You might even look at Trotsky. Fascism. What is it? How to fight it? Small little book. Worth a read. Anyway, and then we're going to end by doing a collective action design lab where there'll be no required reading, but we will build something. Small, medium, large, something. But we're going to have a collective action design lab. And this all starts August 3rd. This isn't just theories. It's practical tools for creating change you want to see. Whether you're new to activism or a seasoned organizer, there's something here for you. I'm going to try to maybe get some guest speakers too, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in joining Resistance School with California Family Institute and me, and wonderful other people, I'm sure, please reach out to me at my email or wherever you find me. And this is in person. I'm sorry. I know people are probably going to ask about doing something online. That might happen somewhere down the future or whatever, but this is specific to being in person in our area, with what's going on and all that kind of stuff. So please spread the word, tell a friend, and join us. And if you have any questions about it, just reach out. Thanks. Peace.